Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Age of Mythology error code 0xc0000374. The error reads, "The game has crashed." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to launch the game, especially on PC via Game Pass. There is no official explanation for the error, but based on our findings, it could be due to a bug introduced with the update, outdated system drivers, or a compatibility issue. The first thing you should do is restart your PC along with your internet connection. After that, check if there are any pending updates for the game. If an update is available, install it and try launching the game again. If the game is already up to date, try running it with administrative privileges. To do this, right-click on the game icon. Then select Run as Administrator. Then check if the game launches without the error. If the error continues, make sure that your Windows operating system and all relevant drivers, especially graphics drivers, are up to date. To do this, open Windows. Update settings and install any pending updates. Then make sure your drivers are up to date. Then restart your PC after updating and check if the error still appears. If the error persists, it is possible that the issue is caused by a bug in the latest update. In this case, you may have to wait for the developers to release a fix. Also keep an eye on any new game updates or patch notes. In case the issue continues for too long, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the game, and check if this helps. If none of these fixes work, you should reach out to game support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.